Hi guys, so today we're going back to Manila. So this is our view here. And this is the room. The bed. Yeah, at ang aming gamit ay naka-ready na po for takeoff. That's the... And this one, our bag. This. And yeah, another package is here. And also this one. We just eat breakfast, coffee, and bread. So, ang ganda kasi, siya, malaki. At saka, separate yung room, separate yung sala, separate yung kitchen o sa may CR. Tapos, may malaki siyang lagayan ng clothes here. Tapos, kung gusto mo maglaba, meron din ditong sampayan ng labahan. And then, there's also have the safe for your documents or anything na pwede mo itago sa safe. And, meron dito pag gusto mo magplancha, nagdamit, yan. Couch, TV, and the airport purifier. Yeah. This one. The tables. Yan. So, nag-almusal kami ngayon. And then here, yeah. This one is the kitchen. And this one is the bathroom. This one. It's a lot of... So, yan. Malaki siya, guys. This one is the Best Western Hotel here in Hong Kong Island. Yeah. And the rate of this hotel is good. Yeah, not too expensive. Yes. Yeah. So, yeah. And you can see downstairs if you want. Downstairs. Yeah. That's our view from our room. And if you can look that way, it's a seaside. Yeah. Going to Macau. There's a lot of ferries there going to Macau. Yeah. So, let's go and see Philippines. Ayan. Yung aking hobby nasa CR siya. So, yun. Tingnan natin pag lumabas. Abangan natin. Nasa CR siya. That's it. No. When you enter the door, here. There's a small table. That's a bed. That's my husband. And this is the closet. Safe. There's a hanger. And this one outside. Yeah, and after that one is a big bed, the TV, the telephone. That's our luggage because we just arrived. And this is my husband. There's a table, the frame, the bed is good, and there's a table. My lovey, this is the table. This one is good. The last time, right, my lovey? And there's a big mirror here. I'm so full. And kitchen, that one. Kitchen. Sink. The rice cooker. Rice cooker, my lovey. Inside here. And there's a microwave. And this is the refrigerator. You can cook your Coke here. And what is inside of this? Nothing. It's special. And the pink water heater. My lovey, there's a water heater.
No.
And it's the CR, the toilet. Ayan. So, mas malaki siya kaysa sa wala. There is a, what do you call that one? Blower. One. So, meron din silang ganyan. The sink, the toilet, and this is the shower. Yeah. It's good. It's bigger than the last time. Yeah. So, this is it. Just arrived. I'm just still wearing my shoes. And also my husband, yeah, is looking for YouTube. Okay, so this is for today. This is the room that we're gonna spend for 3 more days here in Manila. Yeah, because I'm going back to Antipolo and my husband going back to Germany on Monday. Yeah. So that's all for today's video, guys.